Hi, it's Walter Burns from Keller Williams City Life Realty and livingonthehudson.com. Today I'm going to discuss the Canco Lofts in Jersey City. And the Canco Lofts are located at 50 Dey Street in the Journal Square section of Jersey City. They are a former factory, which was a canning factory from the American Can Company back in the 40s and 50s, and they were built into condominiums around 2008. And I'll show you here on a map where they're located. So we have Manhattan here on the right, Hudson River in the middle. And as I zoom in on the Journal Square section of Jersey City, we will see the Canco Lofts appear on Dey Street. Right now, it's currently 3 buildings that have been built. There are 5 in total. The remaining 2 have not been developed as of yet when I'm recording this in late 2023, but the first 3 buildings have been developed. So 50 Dey Street, you have 3 separate buildings. They are all connected, and they're basically very large loft layouts. If you are a buyer or someone who wants a loft industrial feel, duplex, very high ceilings, high windows, this is the building for you. There aren't that many true lofts that are in the Jersey City area. There's the Canco Lofts. There's also one in downtown Jersey City called the Wells Fargo Lofts. And those are like probably the 2 best examples for very large space, very large square footage, and high ceilings. As you can see here, it has the industrial windows. There are 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom units. Some are duplexes. You have a full-time 24-hour concierge. You have a large level of amenities. So you have a basketball court, screening room, residence lounge, large fitness center. There is parking that can be rented for an additional cost. We're not that far from the Journal Square PATH station, which you would just walk up Dey Street. And the PATH station is right over here. So it's about less than a 10-minute walk to the PATH station. If you are commuting out into New Jersey for work, you're very close to access points to go west. So you can easily go west off of Route 1 and 9 and get out towards Newark Airport, etc. Also, you're not that far from downtown Jersey City. If you wanted to head into downtown Jersey City, you can take the bus, and that will take you down Newark Avenue, and you could be in the downtown Jersey City waterfront area pretty quickly. On my website, livingonthehudson.com, I do profile the building where you can see what's currently for sale, what is sold, facts about the building, tours, photo tour of the building, as well as sign up for alerts of when something becomes available for sale or for rent, or if you're an owner in the building, I'll be happy to provide you with a current market analysis. I will link this page down below. If you have any questions about the Canco Lofts, you can reach out to me anytime at walter@livingonthehudson.com or at 347-448-3766. Have a great day.